Welcome to the tutorial for Beat Saber, one of our more popular apps. This is an app that is very similar to other popular music games like Guitar Hero or Dance Dance Revolution. When you select the app, you'll be transported to a black and blue area. If you don't already see some words floating in front of you, turn around until you do. Make sure you are also standing where the app recommends your feet be placed. Select North and South America for your region. There is an in-game tutorial available if you are unfamiliar with the rules of the game. Simply select the question mark and find the tutorial option. You'll most likely just want to start slashing at some blocks. Select the solo play option, and you'll see a list of all the songs Beat Saber supports. Some of the songs will be faded out in their titles. These indicate songs that are not available, as most songs have to be purchased before we can play them. Find a non-faded out song and select it. You'll see several different screens pop up in front of you. The main screen lets you navigate the songs and select the difficulty. The left screen gives you options for modifiers to either make the song easier or harder on yourself. Be sure to check out the left screen before you press play, as some options may be in place from a previous session. When you are comfortable with your setup, press play and have at it. The app requires some physical movement on your part, so make sure there is nothing around you before you start the song. Once you're done with the app, simply go back to the home screen at the end of the song, or press the pause button so you can exit the song. When you get back to the home screen, simply select the icon with half a box and an arrow, which allows you to exit the app. Have fun!